Hello and welcome back. In this video, let us try to understand on a very high level what is Apache Kafka. First, let us try to understand the definition of Apache Kafka. Apache Kafka is described as a distributed event streaming platform. This means it's designed to handle large-scale data in real time, making it perfect for building data pipelines and streaming applications. Whether you're processing events from websites, sensors, or mobile devices, Apache Kafka is a powerful tool to keep everything connected and flowing smoothly. Well, now that we have understood the definition of Apache Kafka, let us now look at how Apache Kafka fits into a bigger picture. So we have Apache Kafka, and then we have a lot of services that produce or write this data to Apache Kafka. Once the data is in Apache Kafka, we have other services that are able to consume this data from Apache Kafka. This diagram shows Kafka at the center acting as a hub for data movement. On one side, data comes in from various sources like web pages, microservices, IoT devices, and Android mobile apps. These are the producers generating the data that needs to be processed or stored. On the other side, Kafka sends the data to destinations like microservices, analytical platforms, and databases. This setup allows Kafka to handle real-time data stream efficiently, ensuring the information flow seamlessly between the system. Well, it's like a superhighway for data. But before we understand more about Kafka, we have to first understand why do we even need this centralized nervous system or a centralized backbone infrastructure to even consume and store all of this data or events coming from different services. What is the purpose of this? Let us try to understand this in our next video.